Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Chrome notifications, or rather Google Chrome notifications. And if you're using a laptop right now or a desktop, it's perfectly the same thing because currently I'm using a desktop. And if you're using a MacBook or a Mac, please don't be afraid to follow the steps because technically they are the same exact steps, okay? I'm currently using Windows, so basically they're the same thing. So let's get started. The first thing I want you to do is of course search for update first. Make sure we have the best update for our Windows settings right there, and as you can see I have updates available. So technically I just need to install them right now. However, I'm not gonna install it as of now because it will take so much long time before we get started right here. However, in your cases, if you have an update, please install it and update it right away, okay? That being said, please open the Google Chrome. And as you can see, I have a lot of guns right here. Let me just use the most dummy one. Okay, with this one, this should be the landing page of your Google Chrome, right? And basically, just hover your mouse on the top right section until you see these three dots right here. Bring it down, click on it, and you'll see settings, okay? I just want you to click on settings right here, and this should be the landing page of your settings. That being said, as you can see, there is a lot of things going on the left side, and you cannot really see where is notification right here. So basically, just type it on the search bar right there, site of notifications, and Google itself will give you the exact thing you're looking for. It will says the results on the site settings right here, so let's click on site settings. And basically with this one, you'll see notifications right there. Simply click on it and basically click on the last bullet which says don't allow sites to send notifications. Easy as that, okay? And that's how you silence or remove notifications on Google Chrome. Basically, that's how you do it, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.